Global warming is a phenomenon that affects us all as humans because it heats up the earth and makes it hotter, so it makes life impossible to survive. Global warming is important because in future generations it can destroy our earth. I am significantly worried about it because if we don't stop it, then it's gonna keep going and growing, and it's gonna make our home planet a hostile place. I've noticed some big changes about global warming that affect my life. For example, in my home country, there were times where big droughts came and lasted for 6 months, and I guess that's produced because of global warming. In 2019, in New York City, there happened a big protest about youth and adults being the protagonists of this huge event, which was about to bring awareness to the whole world about climate change and what can we do about it. I read that some people are making these cool banners that say things like, "We can't live on another planet. This is the only one we have," or like, "I don't know what can we do if we don't solve this," or "The time is now. If we don't stop this, then it's gonna consume us." So all of these banners create a feeling that our world it's really going to decay if we don't stop climate change. As a society, we can gather together and make protests or changes that can bring good for our earth. So I actually learned that those people that are more likely to be at risk from climate change are flying to another countries like up in the north in Swedish and also United States or Canada. If we don't stop climate change, those countries are not gonna be safe anymore. It's not like if this is happening in one place, it won't happen in the other. It will just keep going like a chain. So the effective way to stop this is not just flying to another country and seeking shelter. Is that taking actions about how can we stop this? Because it might seem safe to fly to a different country, but if this doesn't stop, if climate change is not controlled, then our whole world is going to be affected by it, and there will no be place safe to hide. So people should be concerned about how they can stop climate change and solutions that can be taken now. I saw how West Oakland is affected by air pollution and what causes it. Something that was really surprising to me was that in some areas in the same neighborhood there is a high more concentration of pollution than in the other ones.